So I just found 3 really good remote jobs with a huge company for all of you who have some accounting experience. If you're familiar with accounts receivable, accounts payable, general accounting, you want to stay in that field, you just want to be able to do it from home, hopefully one of these jobs will work out for you. So enough lollygaggling, let's jump right into them. So all 3 of these jobs come to us from Levi Strauss & Company. Actually, you're going to be working in the Beyond Yoga brand of Levi Strauss. And the first job I'm sharing is for a general accountant for the Beyond Yoga brand. This is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States. And I'm just going to scroll down here to show you they're going to pay between $66,500 and $104,800 per year, which comes to between $31.97 and $50.38 per hour, plus benefits, which will be specific to your role. So this is your typical general accounting position where you'll be preparing monthly journal entries and reconciliations for cash, fixed assets, leases, prepaids, and deposits. You'll also work with department leaders to ensure their operating expenses are correctly stated and prepare month-end accruals for the retail and general office areas. You'll assist with internal and external audit requirements as well as assist with ad hoc projects as needed. To qualify for this job, they'd like you to have a bachelor's degree in accounting or finance. CPA, MBA, or MACC is a plus, not required. They'd like you to have at least 3 years of accounting experience. 2 years experience at a Big Four is a plus. And of course, you need to be proficient with Excel, Word, and Access. You have excellent knowledge of accounting procedures and principles and GAAP requirements. You're an effective communicator. You have keen analytical skills. You can identify issues, propose potential solutions, and perform trend analysis. You're capable of building relationships. You can collaborate both internally and externally, and you're able to work within tight deadlines. And that's how it goes with accounting. It's all about deadlines. So if you like this job, it pays between $66,500 and $104,800 per year. You can find the direct link in the description below this video. This is job number 1. So that brings us to our second job with Levi Strauss. This one is for all of you who have some accounts receivable knowledge. They're looking for an accounts receivable lead. And this one too is with the Beyond Yoga brand. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. Scrolling down here, we see they'll pay between $75,000 and $95,000 per year. That comes to between $36 and $45.67 per hour plus benefits. So in this job, you'll support the business growth objectives through managing the entire AR process for the Beyond Yoga team. The focus of this role is to facilitate a reduction of the AR age debit and to maximize the cash flow and revenue streams for Beyond Yoga. You'll establish close customer relationships with defined accounts and act as an escalation function to ensure a swift resolution of all AR-related wholesale issues. So that means you'll manage a team of 2 accounts receivable specialists who are responsible for the collections and cash applications process, ensuring collection activities are carried out on time. You'll ensure cash applications are applied timely by providing research and resolving of missing or unclear payment remittance advices, produce quality analysis and action plans to minimize the AR positions and credit blocked orders volume, and drive relevant EDI connections to facilitate timely collections and cash posts to accounts. You'll also analyze and solve billing issues related to AR root cause, coordinate with customers and internal stakeholders for all related dispute and chargeback resolution. You do some month-end close responsibilities, provide frequent reports to the wholesale and marketing teams, calculate and accrue for wholesale rebates and unapplied discounts, wholesale commissions, e-commerce and wholesale returns reserve, and e-commerce shipped and undelivered reserves. You'll also reconcile AR and other cash clearing accounts as well as sales tax liability account. So in this job, they want you to have at least 5 years supervisory experience of business-to-business or e-commerce accounts receivable function. Apparel industry is preferred, not required, it's just preferred. They'd like you to have a bachelor's degree. It's a plus you have some technical experience with RLM. And of course, you need to be comfortable using Excel and you have a high level of analytical skills. You have strong listening and interpersonal skills. You have a positive attitude. You're a good team worker. You're a problem solver. You work well under pressure and you're a good communicator. So this is job number 2. It pays between $75,000 and $95,000 per year. If you like this one, you can find the direct link below, job number 2. The third accounting-related job I have is for an accounts payable lead. This one also is with the Beyond Yoga brand. It's a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, and they are going to pay between $75,000 and $95,000 per year plus benefits. So that salary comes to between $36 and $45.67 per hour. So they tell us their accounts payable department is currently operating under a manual invoice approval process. So that means you'll manage a team of 2 AP specialists who are responsible for processing direct and indirect invoices for payment. You'll ensure AP specialists are properly trained, review invoices entered, new vendors created, vendor edits, and weekly payment batches to ensure accuracy, document reviews to ensure SOX compliance, and confirm FedEx invoice tracker and invoices are sent out for review and approval on a weekly basis. You'll also ensure AP department is running smoothly, invoices are paid on time with 0 duplicate payments, and proactively work with vendors to extend terms as well as shift from CC to ACH. They'd like you to have a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance management, or 5 years of supervisory experience in accounts payable. You need excellent communication and interpersonal skills. You also need a high degree of organization. Experience with RLM is a plus. You have the motivation to develop and maintain internal and external relationships. And you have the commitment to follow company policies, SOX requirements, and you can exercise a high degree of ethical responsibility. So remember, this job pays between $75,000 and $95,000 per year. It's an accounts payable lead job. If you like this one, you can find the direct link below. This is job number 3. Well, there you go. We just went over 3 accounting jobs, different levels. Hopefully one of these works out for you. But if you're looking for something totally different that doesn't require any experience, you don't need to be on the phone, check out this video right here. Good luck to all of you who apply. And as always, thank you so much for visiting. And I'll meet you on the next job lead.